Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using these socks in microfiber cloth, little bowls from Dollar Tree, and some empty spools of ribbon. I took a gift box that I had and just cut the center of it out and then removed the top and bottom of the spools. I placed down one of the little plastic bowls, traced that out, set the spool next to it, traced that out as well. I then connected the two on the sides with a little bit of a curved line. Once I had them both traced out, I cut them. Next, I hot glued the rim of each of the plastic bowls and then placed them down onto those little pieces of cardboard where I traced them. And then I did the same thing with the empty spools of ribbon. Put those right on those spots where I traced them. Next, I'm taking these socks. These are also from Dollar Tree, and putting them over each of those pieces. And then I just stretch it out to the back, cut off the excess, make a slit in the top and bottom of the spool on the sock, and hot glue it down in pieces. I cut a slit at the top of the spool of ribbon and stretch the sock over that. Add some hot glue to the inside top of the spool and place down the sock, pushing it against that hot glue. And then I am taking some black ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree. I believe it's 1/2 inch, and I'm hot gluing it all around the bottom of each of the little boots. I am also gluing some of the same ribbon around what would be the ankle of the boot. And then I want to make a buckle for the boots. So I take this adhesive pearl wrap from Dollar Tree. I cut a row of them out, and then I'm cutting pieces of 2 of 4 and 2 of 2. So I'm going to take the set of 4 first and have it going up and down on the ribbon. And then I do the 2 across on the top of that row and 2 on the bottom. And then I take the other set of 4 and put that going on the other side, closing that in. Next, I'm taking the microfiber cloth, which you get in the auto section of Dollar Tree, and I'm taking another piece of that gift box that I had cut, and I'm wrapping it around the top of the boot on that opening, and cut 2 of those pieces that are going to be long enough to wrap around the top, and I hot glue the microfiber cloth to both of those. Once I have those 2 pieces made, what I'm doing is just hot gluing it around the rim of the boot. And this is what the cute little boots look like. Now I'm just going to fill them in because I want them to have some florals. I take a plastic shopping bag and push it inside the boot and then add a floral pick and some red berries. And the shopping bag prevents it from sliding around in the bottom in there. So I just add a pick. Those are also from Dollar Tree, and some berries. And that's it for this project. Thank you guys so much for watching.